Don't you hate it when you are looking into a mirror, and notice a receding hairline similar to Vegeta's? It turns out, there are several factors responsible for hair loss or a receding hairline. Hormonal changes, genes, pollution, and the use of chemical-based shampoos are a few of them. Hair loss is a common problem for many men and women. We have organized a list of top 5 herbs that aid in hair growth. Aloe vera. While talking about the herbs that are good for hair growth, we cannot ignore aloe vera. Regular use of the gel helps in maintaining the pH balance of your hair. Plus, it acts as a great natural hair conditioner, leaving your hair smooth and healthy. Lavender. Do you want to reduce your baldness? If yes, give lavender oil a try, because it's one of the best herbs that will help in improving hair growth. Moreover, lavender has some antibacterial properties that will help in soothing and healing your hair from the roots. Hibiscus. Are you tired of dandruff and other hair problems? Then worry not. There exists a herb commonly known as hibiscus. This herb has many antioxidants and vitamins that help to improve your hair growth. Ginseng. Do you want us to tell you of an all-in-one natural remedy for a lot of hair problems? Well, the answer lies in a little herb known as ginseng. This herb will help in nourishing your hair and is beneficial for treating your receding hairline. Rosemary. It is one of the oldest herbs and has a good reputation when it comes to treating hair fallout problems. Get rosemary oil and apply it to your scalp right away. Not only will it help you in promoting hair growth, but it will also help you in reducing hair fallout. You can easily enjoy the benefits of most of these amazing herbs for hair growth by brewing tea. There is greater value in choosing loose herbs. Crushed hibiscus, lavender, rosemary and ginseng tea, from tea bags, are of lower quality. To brew hibiscus, also known as roselle tea, simply place about 3 to 4 pieces of hibiscus flower into 8 ounces boiling water of 190 to 208 degrees Fahrenheit and allow to steep for 1 to 5 minutes. Hibiscus tea produces a nice magenta color, pleasant tart flavor and floral fragrance. Because of its effect on estrogen levels, hibiscus tea may not be the choice for women who are pregnant or trying to conceive. It is also a great herb for lowering blood pressure. So, please be mindful when consuming. Ginseng tea can be easily brewed to enjoy hair growth and other amazing health benefits. Place about 5 grams of dried ginseng root into 8 ounces of water at 208 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the herbs to steep for 5 to 7 minutes at this temperature. Strain the ginseng root from the liquid. Add honey or other natural sweeteners as desired. The roots are reusable up to 2 times. Larger roots may require longer steeping times. Enjoy the benefits of rosemary tea for hair growth and an abundance of other benefits. Simply place 1 teaspoon of rosemary leaves into 8 ounces of boiled water and steep for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your desired taste. The longer the stronger. Strain away the herbal leaves. Add honey or rock sugar as sweetener as desired. Please sip rosemary tea in moderation. Large consumption of this powerful herbal tea may have adverse health effects, especially for those allergic to rosemary plant. Sip mindfully.